Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this discussion, we will be quickly reviewing a possible winter storm for the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast for the middle of the week. If you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe and like the video. The first slide will show us how the storm will play out. Please enjoy. Here is the Winter Storm Severity Index. Thankfully, this storm will have minimal impacts, with no more than minor impacts expected. And now for the total snowfall forecast. Let's start by looking at this gray area. This represents accumulations between a dusting to 3 inches of snow. These blue areas represent accumulations between 3 to 6 inches. Lastly, these purple areas. They represent accumulations in excess of 6 inches. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my final update on this snowstorm. See you next time.